welcome to Blossom Homestead. My name's Sharon. So in this week's video, I'm showing you what almond harvest is like. So come along. So our almond harvest is not that crash hot, but we've had a bit of rain at certain times and we couldn't spray the ground because of some almonds being on the ground and all that sort of stuff, and it's getting late in the season. We should have had them all off by now, and that's why we're losing a lot of leaves as well, but it's nice to have them off and to be in the shed when we'll get there. Yeah, so this here is what we call the almond shaker, and this is the head. We've got some new belts or covers or whatever you call this here for those things as well, so it's gonna give it a bit of a Christmas present for it. And it goes, that there goes onto the tree in here. The tree stands in here, and you shake it, all sweeps away nicely. So this is the inside. There's only a little tiny cab in here. That's what it looks like in here, nice and small. I've got no idea the motor or anything, so I have to talk to my husband about and find out what that is. and I can write it down for you. So this one here is what we call the sweeper, and there's so in here, this here all sweeps them across to the other side there and makes them go into the row. Oh, Gingy, you going to come and help me? Yeah, it's quite nice. Fairly dusty, of course. And inside, it's only a little space. And that's what Colin gets to see. Now this here is what we pick the almonds up down the row when they've all been swept up and that. So this is our case. It's a 1390, but I've got 1980 I think it is, or I'll write it up what year it is. It's a bit big for going down the almond rows, but because almonds are getting bigger, they need to be a little bit smaller. It'd be nice to have different wheels on it or something like this. And this here is what we call a pickup machine, because it picks up the almonds and then whirls it around in here, rolls it up here, and then it tips it into a trailer. And this here is what we got this year, a nice reservoir, a legacy one, brand new to us. So and then this here you pick up, and the almonds come out there and drop into here, as you've seen in the videos that I've shown, and then they come out the back here, out here. So there's a chain belt, and then in big almond orchards they have another machine, and that comes behind while they're going along, pushes on that, and then that starts this belt, and it drops it into the trailer thing, and then the pickup person keeps on going. Is that right, Gingy? Well, thanks for joining me on this week on Blossom Homestead. We've been doing this over probably about 3 weeks now. So we've had a belt break, so we had to go to Merbein to pick it up, and that always slows things down a bit because you've got to fix it ourselves, of course. So thanks for joining me on this week on Blossom Homestead, and come along as I get back into my garden. All right, you guys take care and God bless.